Tell me when. All right, today we are going to learn how to multiply a fraction by a whole number. So I will give you an example. So if our whole number was 4 and we had to multiply it by 3/4. I'm going to show you step by step what you need to do. It's really easy, especially if you know your math facts. All right, so we first have to take our whole number 4 and make it into a fraction. So whenever we need to make a whole number into a fraction, it's really easy. We just put it over 1. So it would look like this, 4 over 1. So that's the same thing as 4 times 3/4. All right, so when we multiply, we just multiply straight across. So like this, we would multiply the numerators, 4 times 3, which is 12. And we would multiply the denominators, 1 times 4, which is 4. So now we have our answer, 4/12, which hopefully some of you are looking at this and saying, uh-oh, that's an improper fraction. All right, so I'll quick review how to change that into a mixed number. And this one's really easy because 4 goes into 12 evenly. So 12 over 4 as a mixed number, we just divide, if you remember. So 4 goes into 12, how many times? 3. And there's no remainder for this. So it would be 12/4 or 3. These are the same. All right, so let's do one more example. Let's do one more. Okay, so let's say we had 6 times, let's say 6 times 4/7. All right, so the first step is to take the whole number and make it into a fraction. So the way we do that is we just put it over 1. So it would become 6 over 1 times 4/7. And now we're ready to multiply our fractions. Straight across, multiply the numerators. 6 and 4 is 24. The denominators, 1 times 7 is 7. And again, we're going to get an improper fraction. All right, so we need to change this to a mixed number. So let's practice that one more time. So it would be 24/7 would be equal to what? So you're dividing. All right, so I'll write the division problem down here. So you have to know your math facts. 7 goes into 24, how many times? 7, 14, 21. Okay, so 3 times, which is 21, subtract. And our remainder is 3, which becomes our numerator. And our denominator stays the same, 7. So 24 over 7 would be equal to 3 and 3/7.